Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I am in like a really baggy looking sweater, and honestly, I am not even sorry about it. I am finally done with my first year of university. I get to just relax and I get to just, take it easy, and me taking it easy means just being comfortable and all that. I'm extremely relieved that it's over. It's been a hectic semester, not just with school, but like just in general. It's been like super hectic. So I am in my sweater. Well, one of the reasons is because I'm just like relaxing, and the other reason is today it's really raining and I was outside this morning and yeah, I got rained on, which was it was horrible. I got back and it was super cold, and I was like, I need to put on a sweater. I'm super cold. So yeah, that's another reason why. But anyway, that's not the point of the video. Oh, actually, before I get into the video, as you might have noticed, I didn't post a video last week. I posted on my Facebook page that I am starting a new uploading schedule. So obviously from last week, I am uploading videos every 2 weeks, so that's bi-weekly. Just trying it out for now. Let me know like once we've gotten into that schedule how you feel about it, and whether you want me to go back to uploading every week, or if it's okay for me to be uploading bi-weekly. But yeah, I'm trying that out for now to see how it works out. If it changes, of course, I'll let you guys know. But go on and check out my Facebook page, because on the weeks that I don't upload anything, I might just like throw something in there. It might not be like, it will probably not be a video, but yeah, it's something to keep you going for that week when I don't have anything up. Okay, so today's video, as the title says, is entitled "Everything Happens for a Reason." Now, I decided to do this video, and okay, I wanted to share something with you guys. So over the last month or so, I've been working on something I don't really want to go into detail about it, but just to give you guys a bit of a idea of what this video is based on. I was working on something over the last month or so, maybe a bit over a month, and recently I put like my all into it. Like I was so into it, and I was like, I really wanted it to work out. But a couple of days ago, I received an email letting me know that this big thing that I was hoping for is not gonna work out, and I was super bummed about it. I was like, when I got the email like late at night, and I was just like super down. I felt down just reading it, because another thing that a lot of people don't know this about me, but like I have a huge fear of like rejection and failure and stuff like that. And when I got that email, I just felt so bad. I felt like I had failed myself. I had failed the people around me. Like I just felt so horrible. And like, I don't want to lie, I did cry, but like it wasn't crying like crazy crying. It was just those moments where like you're crying and like it's just tears are just streaming from your eyes because of just how upset you are. Yeah, it was that kind of crying, but it didn't last long. It lasted like just like about 2 minutes, because after those 2 minutes, I remembered that I knew in my mind that there was a chance that this thing wasn't going to work out. And so I had programmed myself, and I had prepared myself mentally for the time when, if at all it does happen, for that time when I would hear that, yeah, it's not going to work out. So I had prepared myself, and that's what kind of made me kind of snap out of it. And I was like, you know what? I've tried, and like I tried to put this thing together 3 times. This is the 3rd time, and still it didn't work out. And I like did everything by the book, and I was just like, what is going on? But then, you know, I just remember that, you know, like, I'm a strong believer in everything happens for a reason. And the fact that I did this 3 times and it still didn't work out, and like I kept trying to make it better and better from the first time, and it still didn't work out. I don't know, for me, I feel like, you know, maybe it's just not for me. Maybe it's just, maybe it's not the time. Maybe it's not for me at all, you know? Like, everything happens for a reason. And I've decided that, you know, from that point, when I had that little revelation in my mind, I was just like, you know what? I'm not gonna cry over this. It's okay. These things happen. There's probably, you know, there's a reason behind everything. And I might not understand it now, but eventually I will understand it. And I'm just gonna, you know, enjoy what I have now and just keep working at the things that I have now and the things that are going good right now, and just, you know, move on, because everything happens for a reason. I'm not gonna dwell on it anymore. I'm not gonna cry over it. I haven't even cried over it or gotten upset over it since that little moment that I had. Like, I have it. Like, I'm completely okay. And that's because I believe that there's something better, and there's a reason. Maybe, you know, the universe just doesn't feel like it just doesn't feel like it's for me, you know? And I just wanted to share this with you guys because I wanted it to, you know, encourage you guys. And this is not the only scenario or the only incident that has happened in which, you know, I felt super down and like things didn't work out and stuff. But like, looking back at those things that happened in the past, those things that didn't work out, and looking at myself now, I'm like, oh, some of these things, like I can pinpoint and be like, oh, okay, so I guess that thing didn't work out because I was being prepared for this, or it would have stood in the way of this opportunity that I have. So I just wanted to share this experience with you guys, because I want you guys to always remember that everything happens for a reason. We might not understand it now, but eventually we will understand it. So if something doesn't go right for you, don't worry about it. Don't stress about it, because there's a reason why it didn't happen. And there's something better in the future for you. So focus on that. Don't focus on the stuff that thing that didn't work out. Yeah, so I just wanted you guys to, like, you know, be encouraged. And I posted something on my Facebook page related to this, to kind of, you know, it was a quote. I'll just put the quote in the description box below. And like, I feel like, you know, it's also just, I want you guys to just, you know, don't beat yourself up about things, okay? Don't be hard on yourself if something doesn't go right. Just keep reminding yourself that everything happens for a reason. This thing didn't work out for a reason. This thing worked out for a reason. I am here for a reason. I met this person for a reason. I became friends with this person for a reason. Our friendship ended for a reason. Every single thing that happens in life happens for a reason. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you're encouraged by this video. Check out my Facebook page so that for like more motivational stuff and more content on those weeks when I don't post videos. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe as well to get notified when I post a video. In the comment section how you are doing, and yeah, be encouraged. Until next time.